I'm a proud parent of two children that attend Peas in a Pod. Peas in a Pod is a great center. I love everything that they have to offer to our children. I like that they have webcam that I'm able to see not only what they're doing in their classes, but I'm also able to see what they're doing when they're outside on the playground. I like that they have daily reports. The way that their daily reports work, they're online, so I'm able to push my app and see what they've learned that day, how their mood was. For my 1 year old, I'm able to see how many times he went to the restroom, and they're very good about what they record onto the daily reports. I'm able to go over things at home with my 3 year old when he's learned things at school, and that I like that because I can always go over certain letters or numbers or whatever they learned that day. They teach children writing skills when they're in the 2 year old class, which is where my oldest started out at. He even learned how to tell the different parts of a book. And I thought that that was very impressive that he was learning that at such a young age. I also like that it is a Christian environment. They teach them different stories from the book, from the Bible. They teach them how to pray before they eat each meal. And my children love it there. Sometimes they don't even want to come home, which is a great thing because that lets me know that they feel the love and that they are cared for at here at Peas in a Pod.